Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth and keep them within a few meters. Once done, plug in or ensure battery is above 20% so the process won't stop. Make sure you know the current PIN or default pairing code because you'll need it to change settings. Open the device's Bluetooth settings now and tap the paired device entry to access options. This immediate step gets you into the controls where you'll make the change. You should now reach the device-level Bluetooth settings, tap the paired device and select the option to modify its connection, often labeled Settings, Security, or Change PIN. If the device requires you to forget and repair, do that. Unpair first, then initiate pairing again. When prompted, enter the current PIN to authenticate, then type the new code twice to confirm. Make sure the new code meets any length or character requirements. Otherwise, the device will reject it. Complete the process by repairing the devices with the newly set PIN and verify normal function, such as playing audio or sending a file. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again within a minute or two. This clears temporary Bluetooth caches. Make sure to update firmware, and if problems persist, reset network or Bluetooth settings as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if you forget the old PIN, consult the device manual or perform a factory reset only when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.